Hello everyone, welcome back to our SAP Enterprise Content Management ECM by OpenText series. And we are talking about the different use cases. So far, we have covered 3 use cases. In case if you have missed out, just to watch the previous series in my YouTube channel. And today we'll be talking about the fourth use cases, which is known as the employee document generation, right? So what does a document generation means? If you have seen in SuccessFactors, typically, it can be any kind of a letter, okay, whether it is an appointment letter or it is any kind of a employee verification letter. Suppose you're applying for a loan, your bank requires a document that you have to give an authentic, okay, letter from your employer that's saying that you are working for that organization from so and so time. Those kind of documents are required at any point of time in your entire employee life cycle, right? So how do you generate those documents as an employee? We'll be seeing that is the proper use cases, and especially for as an employee, we will see that typically from an open text point of view, how does it look like? So let's go for that, and we will see how does it look like in a typical success factor solution. Okay, so now let's yeah, so we will be talking about the fourth use case. So in the last 3 sessions, so we have talked about other 3 different use cases with the foundation of enterprise content management. If you have missed any of this session, you just watch that. And today we'll be talking about the fourth use case, that is your document generation. Okay, especially using SAP SuccessFactors Enterprise Content Management solution using OpenText. Okay, so now let's go to our system and we will see how does this solution look like, especially from a document generations point of view. So let's say, as I was giving the same example, if you have remembered correctly. So this is an employee use case. So for here, this in use case of Miss Pauline Fournier. So she's an employee, and her bank requires letter verifying her employment. Instead of asking HR, so she has to quickly create herself within the SAP SuccessFactors solution. So how does she do it? Let's see. Okay. So now she as an employee logged into the system, and she will be logging into the system, and let's see how does this is downloading the same document. Okay. So for that, she has to go through the workspace. So directly she will be going to the workspace here, and as usual, the document self-service wizard, okay, it doesn't allow just you to upload or missing an outdated document. It also allow you to create documents. If you remember the ellipsis button we have clicked last time, and there is an option to not only the upload document in the last use case we talked about, also it talks about how to create a document also. Okay, so what I will do, I will choose the create document option here, and here, so there are predefined templates will be available, and it can be highly configured based on your requirement. So in this case, I will be for this employee Pauline, so she will go to the template known as employment verification letter. Okay, so this is the templates you will have to go through, and after choosing the particular template, so simply she has to click create and download option, and this is how the document will be looking like. Very simple, isn't it? So just as for the format, and this formatting can also be configured, okay, as per your requirement. This text, to whom it may concern, it can be bold, it can be highlighted, okay, company logo, okay, as per all the things you can see. Okay, so these are the different details you will be finding. This is how a person as an employee, I can choose my templates, whatever the templates has been configured in the system. I can choose that template, and I can simply go and create and download that template, right? So this is a very simple process from a for this use case point of view. Okay, so this is the fourth use case which I was talking about, how as an employee you can generate your documents whatever is required for you. Okay, so this is the fourth use case. So stay tuned for my upcoming videos to see the further use cases, and subscribe, like in this channel, my channel. And for any videos you can also request, and for if you are having any need of any kind of a paid mentorships program, you can always choose any kind of a membership in my platform. Okay, so that's it for now, and we will be talking about more in this about it in the next session. We'll be talking about the next use case, how you will be document uploading using success factors directly. Okay, so that is something we will be seeing in the fifth use case for now. Okay, so thank you for joining in, and we will see all the things the next use case in the next video.